Welcome folks, today I'd like to introduce the Edge Click Connect keyboard case from Brenthaven. This case fits 5th and 6th generation iPads with 9.7-inch displays. It's designed to turn a student's iPad into a laptop for versatile use in the classroom. The case is loaded with K-12 friendly features, including reinforced Crumple Zone corners that absorb and deflect impact, allowing it to survive falls from up to 4 feet, exceeding military standards. It features a clear back that allows for easy barcode scanning and asset management. And best of all, the entire case can be assembled in 45 seconds or less. The Breakaway Kickstand adjusts to give you 3 different viewing angles, and the slim profile, water-resistant, and ergonomically designed keyboard ensures a comfortable typing experience for students of all ages. A detachable holder for the Apple Pencil or Logitech Crayon can easily be added to the case if desired. The case is slim enough to fit into any charging card, and there's no setup or charging required for the keyboard. Just plug it into the iPad and start typing. You can also charge the laptop in the case without having to remove the keyboard. Brenthaven keyboards come with a 1-year guarantee against defects in quality or craftsmanship. Evaluation units are available for larger deployments. Please visit brenthaven.com today to request a free sample unit.